Welcome. If the world of real estate wholesaling intrigues you, you've come to the perfect place. Picture it as flipping contracts instead of houses. Intrigued? Well, let's dive right in. Being a wholesaler, your mission is to scout for potential properties, secure them under a contract, then pass this contract on to a buyer for a fee. In essence, you're the bridge between the seller and the buyer. First on your to-do list is to create a rock-solid buyers list. These individuals are your on-the-ready investors. A great place to start: local real estate investment groups and networking events both online and offline. Next, it's time to spread the word. How? Marketing. Start with direct mail campaigns and cold calls. Consider Google pay-per-click, and don't overlook the power of good old SEO. Your goal is to capture the attention of those motivated sellers. With the seller's interest peaked, you're ready for appointments. Visit the house, get the lay of the land, and gather enough information to propose a win-win offer. Remember, your role goes beyond negotiating. You're a problem solver. After reaching an agreement, it's crucial to secure the property under a contract. It's the golden ticket you'll be selling after all. The final step: selling the contract to a buyer from your list for a certain price, also known as an assignment fee. Get the word out, send a text or email blast to your buyer's list, and present it as a unique investment opportunity. And voila! Once it's sold, you've made easy money without having to handle the property directly. That, folks, is the ABC of real estate wholesaling. The keys to success? Keep a steady stream of leads, communicate effectively, and be confident in the deals you seal. You've got the essentials. Now it's time to roll up those sleeves and put them into practice. Here's to your wholesaling journey. Good luck!